So if I am talking about what are the raw material which is required, I said that raw material for Indian aspect it is bamboo and then bagasse. Then I said that savai grasses and other grasses and recycling paper. Why am I using? Because they have some good concentration of pulp, but concentration of pulp like in this, it is not there. We have a good quantity of pulp in this one, and that is in a quality pulp, and therefore it is able to give in a quality paper also. And in this case, what happens generally in the foreign countries, if we say that they used to what is an established there, I said their industry near to the forest, they used to purchase that particular forest area. But it is not like this, you can purchase and you can do deforestation. We have to also follow the rules and regulation of, I said that forest policy of that nation. Understood? It is you cannot be like I said cutting and then removing all. So you have to plantation and all it should go on. So they generally establish near forest क्योंकि ये क्या हो जाता है थोड़ा heavy हो जाता है. Yes or not? Cutting the tree and then bringing it nearby in mills, it will be high transportation cost. Trees को लाना, लकड़ियों को लाना is not an what छोटी सी चीज, it will be very high. So transportation cost की वजह से they are establishing nearby. Understood? It is also one of the. Now I said that if you go into the foreign countries also, if it another, I said that another point after that India means that we are using this one, and if I talk about raw materials are like this. Another, it is, I said that water. You know that for producing 1 kg paper, we need 100 kg of water. So another factor is that कि इतना पानी आपको या तो आप पानी के पास अपने इंडस्ट्री को establish करो. You should establish your industry nearby. I said that. Again, तो आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना होगा कौन सी जगह पे आपको you should what is an establish your industry. And then I said that it is in 100 kg if I am talking about is producing 1 kg of water. So this much of water in making, and then I said that different kind of chemicals, and after that much of water become wastage also. So water is another requirement, and then I said that power and then energy, if I am talking about energy. So there is I said if I have to produce, I said that for producing, I said that 1 ton of 1000 kg of paper, or 1000 kg of paper ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. You know that 1000 kg of paper, it is like this much. Papers are very heavy also. So you can be able to see that 1000 kg of paper needs 2000 unit of electricity. It means again there is a high energy used, high amount of energy required. इसका मतलब again that your industry should also locate near to the what I said that energy producing. Clear? तो foreign countries में लोग क्या करते हैं? What they are doing in this reason? I said that some kind of Norway, Sweden, in these countries also Canada, Russia. So there is a forest. They have, I said that they have a forest, and this forest are there. They are cutting it, and nearby one river is going, and then cutting the tree means lumbering practice is there. After that, these logs, ये लकड़ियों के logs को क्या करेंगे? They will transport through the river. So transportation cost to this. There is no need to original transportation cost. And thereafter, in this one, there is, I said that यहाँ पे एक waterfall बना हुआ है, पानी गिर रहा है, and we have made a dam over there, and then this is the way water stopped, and then electricity is producing. तो यहाँ पर HEP produce हो रहा है, and then इसी जगह पर they will establish there. I said that industry. So the water is also available. So through this one, it is providing water, and it is providing cheap. energy. So they are what is it, establishing their by the what is I said that industry nearby the river. They are establishing their industry nearby the river. The river is very much important. यहाँ से इतना पानी कहाँ से लेकर आओगे? The river is very much important. And then और वहीं पर डैम भी है. And then dam से electricity, cheap electricity is coming. So and then these logs are coming over there. Understood? उसके बाद क्या करते हैं? They used to and then यहाँ से पेपर आ गया. अब इस पेपर की भी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट एक बात ध्यान में रखिएगा. It become more heavy and it should be more careful. Transportation of this paper and then wood. किसकी ज़्यादा careful होना चाहिए? For carrying of this one? Yes or no? So per kilometer transportation cost for the paper will increase. Per kilometer transportation cost of the wood will be as it can be like यदि ट्रक से भी ला रहे हो they will be different. तो अब यहाँ से लेकिन फॉरेन कंट्रीज में रिवर से ही वाटरवे transportation that utilized and then therefore the foreign countries are I said that along the rivers, along the waterfalls, dams and all, and then cutting the forest trees and then it is coming. So what are the requirements for the paper industry till now? We have been able to see, like I said that. Yes? Raw material, water, how much water? 100 kg water for producing 1 kg page. And how much electricity? For producing 2000 kg of paper, 1000 of kg of paper, you need 2000 unit of electricity. Means high consumption of electricity. If high consumption of electricity energy is there, then I will have to also very much important कि हमें यहाँ पर होना चाहिए. तो foreign countries में तीनों एक ही जगह मिल जा रहे हैं. Understood it is? So coniferous forest region में that they are establishing their industry. Another important part is the transportation network. Another factor क्या होता है? तो transportation network में इन्होंने किसको बेस्ट कर लिया था? Cheapest transportation network and it is in a waterway. So another factor that I can say that it is in a transportation should be good. Yes or no? We should have a better transportation. ये तो सभी में मैं बात करता ही हमेशा. I said that और cheapest transportation network मिल जाए तो then it is a very good. Understood? और cheapest transportation suppose कि आपने यदि मैं विशाखापट्टनम में और नियर बाई मुंबई या नियर बाई पुणे एंड देन कहीं भी मैं अपना पेपर इंडस्ट्री लगाऊं तो मैं सीधे नियर बाई यदि मुझे नियर बाई कोस्ट रहूँगा तो इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड करने में मुझे आसानी हो जाएगी. वी कैन बी एबल टू डू व्हाट इज एन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड इन वेरी इजी मैनर. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो आई सेड दैट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड अनदर इट इज एन आई सेड दैट यू नो दैट यदि आपको क्वालिटी पेपर चाहिए, good amount of production you need the good quality machines, and then its machines are very heavy. Machines are very very heavy. यदि आप कभी गए होंगे प्रिंटिंग प्रेस एंड ऑल तो वहाँ पर भी मशीन्स उतने होते हैं तो बनाने वाले मशीन्स और भी हैवी होते हैं. सो इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट देयर मशीन्स आर वेरी हैवी एंड देन यू नो दैट यहाँ पे लेबर इंटेंसिव नहीं है, लेबर ज़्यादा नहीं लेकिन कैपिटल यू नीड मोर. सो इट इज इन विच काइंड ऑफ इंडस्ट्री? कैपिटल इंटेंसिव इंडस्ट्री. So it is an I said that capital intensive. I talked about it is which kind of industry? I said that capital intensive industry. Understood? Therefore, I said that very large and sophisticated machines को लाने में भी बहुत समय लगता है. So these are the requirements are there. Raw materials we have a water we have needed, and I said that we need power also, and thereafter we need transportation, and it is a large amount of capitals we require. Understood? So these are the factors. If you see that performance of Indian industry, the Indian paper industry has exhibited good kind of resilience in the present and future in the world market in related to the world. बट हमने क्या बताया था कि व्हाट इज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया? इट इज अराउंड 17% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. बट द हाउ मच पेपर कंजम्पशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? 2%, वेरी लेस, 2 to 3%. इंडियन पेपर इंडस्ट्री हैज एग्जिबिटेड रेजिलियंस एंड हैज सेव्ड अप वेल इन द फेस ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग कंपटीशन फ्रॉम द ओवरसी प्लेयर्स. तो थोड़ा सा अपना एक दे हैव क्रिएटेड ए स्टेटस इन द वर्ल्ड मार्केट. नेक्स्ट, टोटल ऑपरेटिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ इंडियन पेपर इंडस्ट्री एट अराउंड It is around 12 to 13 million ton. How much it is? I said that 12 to 13 million ton, and total operating capacity is, and present FDI, the country itself said that let the people to come into what I said, that paper industry. Up to in news agency maybe the FDI started coming in large amount, come and give your investment. Presently FDI is up to what is 100% allowed on the automatic route for the pulp and paper sectors में. यहाँ पे pulp को निकालो या paper industries में आ पाओ. So the foreign direct investment has been given how much? 100%. So everyone can come and then they can put their 100% and then lots of investment they can do. इसका मतलब ये समझ में आ गया कि we have stand very well in the world market, yes or no? And at the same time total capacity is around, I said, 12 to 13 million ton. And then we have been able to see also that there is in the world market, if we have got it, फिर भी हमें कुछ problem है. We are not good at producing what is a quality paper. This is one of the things is there. Still we are importing the what? Quality paper for different sectors. I said that Indian paper industry, still there is a need to work on the some aspects. And Indian paper industry is in a fragmented sector, जैसे not like unorganized, कुछ large हैं, but not it is in a complete organized kind of it. The government is giving importance to it. Like I said that raw material भी मिल जाए तो थोड़ा सा भी intensive kind of पढ़ाया जाए, थोड़ा सा organized ज़्यादा बन जाए. लेकिन if it is in a fragmented, certain specialties required as security papers, bond papers, check papers, etc. Special papers are being still we are importing in India. Understood? This is the concern of present time. And then fragmented, little unorganized, not completely. And we are producing around 12 to 13 million ton. And then we have, I said that government has given 100% FDI, and we have made our status in the world market also. Understood? So this is the one thing that we have seen, one part of it. ये दिमाग में स्टोर हो गया. Yes, हम लोग वर्ल्ड मार्केट में अपना थोड़ा सा स्टेटस बना रखें. FDI का क्या है? 100% क्लियर है. And if you'll be able to see total production कितना हो रहा है, around 12 to 13 million tons. और if I say that और हमें प्रॉब्लम किस पेपर में आ रही है? क्वालिटी पेपर. And like I said that bond papers and all. And हमारी इंडियन पेपर इंडस्ट्री कैसी है? ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है या लिटिल अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड? Little unorganized in the fragmented form. And now we can be able to see India has, I said that India has how much population? 17% of the world population, but what is the consumption? It is only 2% of the world's paper. Currently a small proportion of demand is made by imports. और थोड़ा सा हम लोग जो है पेपर, बॉन्ड पेपर्स में ही हम लोग अपना ड्यू टू अनफेवरेबल पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट. अब देखेंगे कहाँ कहाँ पे हो सकता है. वी हैव ए गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. यस और नॉट? गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. वी हैव एन ए गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इन, आई सेड दैट, नॉर्थ ईस्ट. द टू रीजन हैव, बट there it is paper industries are there, softwoods are there. In the, you know that coniferous pine trees are there. But these pine trees and the coniferous forests are not being utilized completely. वहाँ पे भी little bit paper mills are there. But I said that paper mills होने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? You should have a better transportation network. You should have a market. Yes or not? And the market वहाँ से India, यहाँ पे बहुत दूर है market. India ही यहाँ है market. Another I said that this is in a very harsh climatic condition. There is a what? Mountains हो और साथ में हार्स भी हो तो कंप्लीट इनएसेसिबल. माउंटेन्स में काटो एंड डाउन. आई विल गो इनटू कनाडा एंड रशिया. कॉनिफेरस फॉरेस्ट है लेकिन वो कहाँ पे? ग्राउंड पे. अंडरस्टूड? देयरफॉर इट इज इजी टू कट एंड देन मेकिंग दैट. बट इन इंडिया द कॉनिफेरस फॉरेस्ट आर इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, गुड अमाउंट इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट. सेकंड वन, इट इज, आई सेड दैट इन द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड ऑल. But I said that this coniferous forest cannot be exploited because I said that it is in mountainous, somewhere environmental concern is there also, mountainous reason. आप हटा दोगे तो तुरंत soil degradation and all, so forest you cannot remove. And then another factor is a very inaccessible reason is there. Another demand is not proper. Another transportation network is not good. So therefore, and then energy supply, you know that one of the factor in the north is in Jammu and Kashmir. So therefore, we have I said that we are not able to establish in this region. Understood? Even if we have paper, the pulps are available. I said that Northeast itself has some of the highest proportion of the total land devoted to dense forest in the country. Besides large areas with bamboo vegetation offers promising aspects for paper industry, but inaccessibility, low demand for paper, distance from the traditional market, insurgency, tribal conflicts. So वहाँ पे tribal people ज़्यादा हैं, and अभी भी देख रहे होगे कि बर्मा border पे थोड़ा सा problem चल ही रहा है. Distance from the, I said that poor infrastructure means transportation and for the I said energy supply. ये सारी चीज़ क्या हो जाता है वहाँ पे तो main चीज़ यही है ना, transportation and energy supply. Poor infrastructure remains a challenge. The recent emphasis on the development of this region can be coupled effectively with the developing a strong industrial base for paper sectors. यदि हम यहाँ पे infrastructure develop कर दे transportation, तो हम लोग पेपर कोई भी प्रोड्यूस करके इंडिया में ले आ सकते हैं. इंडिया के मतलब in the different parts of India we can be able to. So I said that already in the Assam there is a good amount of demand and all everywhere. So we can be able to make. लेकिन हमारे इंडिया में दूसरी जगह पे होता है. I said that currently most of the mills are located in the Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and all. So some of the states that we can be able to, if you go into the Gujarat you know that it is based on savai grasses, Madhya Pradesh based on savai grasses, some bamboos based in the where the good rainfall, Andhra and I said the Odisha bamboos are there, West Bengal bamboos are there. So wherever it is I said that there can be bamboo, savai grasses and then sugar cane if you